Welcome back to my another video. Today I am going to show in this video how to remove red X on your battery icon on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are seeing red X on your battery icon on your Windows 10 or Windows 11, then I will show you a simple method how to fix this issue. First of all, you have to open your device manager. For that, you just need to click on this search menu. Then type here device manager. You can see here device manager. Click on this. After that, here you will find battery. Double click on that battery. You can see this is the adapter which I have connected, the charging adapter. This is my battery. Just right click on that, click on uninstall. Just you have to check mark this option, then click on uninstall. After completion of this uninstall, you will find here this search icon, scan for hardware changes. You have to just click on this and close this window. After doing this, still you are facing the issue, then this may be due to your battery hardware issue. So you have to replace your battery. After replacing your battery, you have fixed your issue. That's it guys. So this way you can fix red X on your battery icon. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.